You don't need to rebuild your funnel to start booking in more calls from your ads, but you do need to fix one of the blind spots that's quietly losing you leads every single day right now. Now, in this video today, I'm going to show you one very specific fix we use with our own clients that helps them to book in 3 to 5 extra sales calls every single week using a very single low-cost ad without having to change their funnel. Okay, now if you'd like the exact Greenlight retargeting script that we use along with the setup guide and everything that you need, just drop the word green below. I can send this over to you for free. Don't need your email or anything, okay? Hello, I'm Tina from tinasanford.com. Now, we work with experienced business owners who've been running challenge funnels, webinar funnels, and VSLs. And even though they've been getting leads in, their return on ad spend isn't where it needs to be right now. Now, they're spending thousands, but they're barely making it back. And scaling just isn't an option right now. So what is going on? I want to explain. Okay, there is a common belief right now that people just aren't buying as much. Okay, but that is not exactly true. What is really happening right now is people are just taking longer to make a buying decision. You know, Google recently published data that shows that the average buyer online now needs about 62 to 67 days of consistent visibility of you, before they decide to make a move. That's a lot, isn't it? More than 2 months. So all those people who used to sign up for your webinar or book right after a call, they're now in that, what we call the consideration phase. They're not lost though. They're just not ready yet. Now, here's the even bigger issue. And it's something that we see with every single funnel we've been reviewing this year. Your leads are leaking out your funnel before they even reach your offer. Yeah, that's not good. Now, we're calling these black holes, and they're points in your funnel where a high percentage of leads just drop off. They're either losing interest or they just never take the next step, okay? This doesn't mean that your funnel's broken because you're getting people in. It just means that your funnel needs to be supported in the right places. And I figured in this video, I wanted to help you by showing you how to plug one of those black holes. And this is the part where someone actually sees your offer, but they don't book in a call with you. This is a big one, but it's fixable. And what we can do is we run a very simple retargeting ad directed straight to them it's what we call the Greenlight ad, okay? And what it does, it shows a short, real video of you speaking directly to those people. And these are the leads that actually clicked on your ad. They visited your funnel. They maybe even signed up for your webinar if you've got one. But for whatever reason, they just didn't take that next step. Okay, now instead of trying to get them to rewatch your entire presentation or sign up again, we just give them one clear move. Book a call, yeah? Now, here's how it works. I'm going to give you steps because I think these are useful. Now, first step, we help you to create a short video that speaks directly to those particular leads. Something warm, direct, helpful, not salesy though, yeah? And this video is designed to build trust. It's showing them that you understand where they're at right now, and also helps to show that you can help them if they're still unsure, okay? Now, step 2, we run this video as a low-cost retargeting ad to the exact people who've already interacted with your funnel. That means that you're not paying for cold traffic. You're paying to stay in front of the people who are most likely to say yes. Okay, now the third step is, from there, the ad points them back to your booking page. But this time they have more context, they've got more familiarity with you, and obviously more readiness to talk now, yeah? Now, we've used this exact ad strategy to help our clients to book in several calls a week without increasing their ad spend, and often without needing to change anything else in the funnel at all. Now, if you would like this for yourself, for your own business, just drop the word green below. I'm happy to send you the exact script and the setup prompt. Yeah, it's simple, it's proven. It plugs one of the most costly black holes in your funnel so that you can actually start getting more sales from those leads that you've already paid for.